Hi and hello everyone. Today we are going to learn another type of face mask. Previously I have taught you a different variety of face mask which mostly looks like a handbag, carry bag. So these are the different varieties. Today we will make a face mask which looks like this. So basically the previous one, this mimics the N95 mask, and today we will be stitching the surgical mask which looks just like the surgical mask. Okay, but before that we need to understand who should wear a mask. So there are few criterias. Depending upon that we can understand or we will learn how to wear a mask. If you are healthy, have not developed any kind of symptoms till date, you need not wear a mask. If you have not gone out of your home since 23rd March, so that is since the lockdown has started, if you had not gone outside, you need not wear a mask. And if you have not allowed anybody into your home, any strangers or anybody, your relatives, friends or your workers, anybody has not entered your home since then you need not wear a mask. If you or any of your family members have developed slight symptoms like cold, cough, running nose, sneezing, sore throat, then only you are supposed to wear a mask. So if you develop or if any one of your family members develop these symptoms, it is better to wear a mask. Until then you need not wear a mask. And if you suspect that somebody who has visited your home has these symptoms, then you better wear a mask. Or if you feel that you have these symptoms and anybody whom you are going to meet may have the chances of contamination or infection spreading to them, then you should wear a mask. Okay, so today within just less than a minute we can stitch this mask. So for this you need a cloth which is rectangle in shape. Okay, so the larger side is 9 inches and the shorter side is 8 inches. I have taken 3 layers here depending upon the thickness of cloth. That is, if the cloth is very thick, you can just make with the 2 layers, and if it is slightly thin, then you can go for 3 layers. I have taken 3 layers here. Okay, so this is 1 layer, 2 layers and 3 layers. So now take this cloth and we will make the frills on either side, and then we will attach the thread, or we call it as nada. So then we can put them or hang them on our ears. Okay, so this is a mask. I am going to stitch the frills first. Okay. You can see these frills. I have finished stitching on one side. I am doing the same thing on the other side. See, I have finished stitching the frills on both the sides. Now I am stitching the nada. So you can take any cloth which is as much width as around 1.5 to 2 inches. So length depending upon your face size. So you can finish stitching this, and then we need to attach this to the mask. See, I have finished stitching this nada. Now we will attach this to the mask. So on either side we will attach this. So this will be useful for putting on around your ears. Okay, this is not my size, so that's why it is slightly bigger to me. Now the mask is ready. I have attached these nadas to the mask. So you can wear like this, spread it like this and put it for your ears. After wearing, if you feel that this part is bigger, so you can just put one stitching over the nose and below the chin. So that will really fit in, and it almost becomes like the N95 mask, which is like this, which exactly fits your face like this. Okay. So use this cloth homemade sterile masks which are far safer and best than those which we get in the market or in the pharmaceuticals or medical shops. So you can wash them in hot water and you can use them every day whenever it is required, and this can be kept forever also. So in future also, whenever you require, you can use these masks. So stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.